My name's Stephen, and this is a Jeanneau 42 in Port-Camus-Rayon, and it is a 2007 yacht that needs now a reasonable amount of looking after and maintenance. It was a lot of work and not very easy. It's probably too much work, actually. I think you would have to live on a boat to really be able to keep on top of things. If you don't live on a boat, then it's almost impossible to keep a boat in good condition without outside help. One is the maintenance of the boat itself. As I said, it does need a lot of looking after, cleaning the boat, and also all the mechanics, just keeping those going every month, just checking those. That is really valuable. The other service that is really useful is just the security side, just knowing that Florian is there to check on things. That's really useful. That is because I live about 700 kilometers away, which is quite a long way, and so I can only get over a few times in a year. There are many months when I'm not here, so that is incredibly useful when Florian can check on things, and then he sends photographs which are brilliant. That just to know that the boat is still afloat is pretty reassuring and everything. And then when there's a bad storm or something like that, he will come along and just check that everything's okay after a big storm, which we had last year. That was really reassuring for Florian to check the boat, send photographs, everything's okay. If you're going to be on the boat a lot and you can look after everything yourself, then that's a different matter. If you're experienced, you know how things work on a boat, you've been sailing for 40 years or something like that, and you're always on the boat, then that's a different matter. But if you're on a boat for less than 6 months a year and you're going to be away from the boat for 1 month, 2 months or 3 months at a time, something like that, I'd say it's almost essential to use a service to look after your boat, and then particularly good ones. So yes, I'd recommend it's almost essential to do, just to give that peace of mind, really. If you're going to have a boat, then you might as well sleep well at night. That's incredibly useful. That really is. Knowing the engine will start and seeing a nice, shiny, clean boat yes, that's very valuable.